beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Jari Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video, y'all, I will be doing a fall makeup glam look. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press that bell so you don't miss any videos. Give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So as you can see, I am in a different recording spot. I am not sitting on the floor in front of the wall. I am actually in front of my mirror. So I guess I can officially call this my vanity because all of my makeup is set up over here and I have some lights and my skin looks good. Like, the lighting is hitting right now. Like, hitting. So yeah. I don't have any moisturizer on my face, so I'm going to go in with my 24K Gold Foil Moisturizer, and then I'm going to get back with y'all. So next, after the moisturizer, I'm going to go in with this Flesh Touch moisturizing highlighting balm, and I'm basically just going to put it in certain areas so my face can kind of be highlighted naturally before I apply my foundation. This might be a little dry to rub in, so I'm going to get my spray bottle full of water, and I'm going to get my beauty blender, and I'm just going to spray it just a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my eyebrow pencils. So I use two different ones, this darker brown and this lighter brown. Admitting I don't use both all the time, but when I do, it looks great. So make sure these babies are good. I'm just going to blend them together so they can look good. Okay, so now I'm going in with this foundation, which will be my, I guess you could say, kind of like my outline concealer of my eyebrows. And I also will be using this concealer. This is Kiss New York Cover Care Matte BB Cream. And it is very good. It's full coverage, so yeah. So I have this brush that came from Sephora, and I use it as my brush to clean up my eyebrows. I have my little mirror right here, so let's get her done. So I'm going to go in with my other concealer, which is actually a lighter shade. This is LA Colors. And I just want to make sure I have enough concealer on my eyelids so my eyeshadow can look good. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my James Charles palette, and I'm going to go in with this really dark brown shade right here. Y'all, so it's crazy that these colors actually look kind of lighter on camera. But yeah, so get my brush and pat, 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 pat. Now I'm going to go in with this rusted looking color, and I'm going to put it over the brown to kind of blend it out. And last but not least, I'm going to go in with a little bit of yellow and just blend it all out together. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this glittery type of look, this glittery type of color right here. And I'm just going to put it at the beginning where my cut crease is. Hey y'all, so now I'm going back in with this foundation and I'm going to apply it all over my face. I'm going back in with this concealer. Now I'm going to go in with this color and use it as contour. I'm going in with this setting powder. Came from Sephora. It's like a little sample, but I've only used it one time, so it works pretty good. So while my face is baking, I'm going to go in with my LA Colors mascara. And I'm just going to do my bottom lashes. So I'm going to go in with my powder, my pressed powder, and just blend out this setting powder. So I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. I'm going to use this dark brown pencil again, and I'm going to use this LA Colors brown lip gloss. It's like a nude color. This is really my go-to lip combo. I'm always doing it. So I'm going to go in with this highlight. It is like a bronze brown. Just apply it to those special areas to give it a little more glow. Now I'm going to go in with this tattoo liner, waterproof eyeliner, and this also came from Sephora. Definitely gonna need my mirror for this. Hey y'all, so I am finished with my makeup, and as you can see I did my hair and everything, and this is the finishing product. You see see, I added a little bedazzle to my eyes. I put these jewels, these gems under there. They're actually for your nails, but I decided to put them on my face as well because they look cute like that, and that's the new trend or whatever. I added some gloss to my lips, of course, because they needed it really bad. And I put on a necklace and some earrings just to look more dolled up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of me doing my makeup for fall. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.